Hey guys, I've been doing a whole bunch of 2-minute videos lately, but this one's will take a little bit longer, and I'm gonna show you how to draw a cute cat, and the focus is gonna be on the eye to make this cat really cute. So in terms of the head, we're not doing anything special, just a circle. And it's gonna be a white cat, so that makes coloring a lot easier. There. And big eye here for one of the eyes. Always want to make sure the eyes are similar in size. A W like that. And we're gonna draw the body, which is really follow what I do and you will be able to do you will be able to draw the body pretty. There's nothing too complicated here, basically. That's what I'm trying to say. And then the two little front legs or front paws, just do 3 lines like that, right? And then at the end of the line, we can do this and just draw the paw. Okay, now I think we have majority part of the structure, the important part of the structure is down. Now it comes to a few parts that's going to be a little bit more difficult, which is the eyes. Like I mentioned, I'm gonna try to draw the eyes in a little bit more, kind of more gradient, more shading kind of way. I'll show you. There's one reflection circle, there's 2. Let's add another one. Let's get a little bit crazy. I know, so crazy. 1, 2. And I want to color the inside part of the eye, which is this part. And you can use this method to draw a lot of eyes. That's the pupil part, so let's color that in black. And I want to switch to blue. And I want to color the rest of the eye blue. Make sure you leave the reflection circles white. I'm still gonna work on the eye a little bit more because just doing this it's not quite as refined as it could be. So let me just look at that. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my black pencil again, and I'm gonna kind of smudging that. What should I say? I'm gonna kind of blend that a little bit with the blue, especially the top part. So I'm creating this gradient where you're kind of not sure where the blue starts and the inside the pupil and starts. I kind of want to blend them together. Leave the reflection circle very bright. And I'm just fill in some of the parts down here. And I'm gonna take a little bit of pink slightly shading around it, as well as this part here, which is where the cheek is. Give it a little bit blush. Same with this side. And I'm gonna shade the ear here a bit, and here. Just a smaller triangle inside the ear. And we're gonna add a little nose. I'm actually just gonna use the red. We're gonna add a pink little nose inside the mouth. And I think we're done. At this point, you can if you want to, give this cat a different color, feel free to add some other color to it. But I think we're done for this for the most part. So this is still a fairly easy to do drawing. Just have to be careful with the eyes. That's the way I'm shading it. You give it an extra glow almost like. And that's all thanks to the reflection circle and how it contrasts with surroundings. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, make sure to tell your friends and subscribe to my couldn't even talk, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks, bye.